Again? Other way then.
I can't see it.
I'll tell you what, I'll go further away and you can track it as it comes in. Can you see it now?
Now let me get the damn thing focused. Right. There, see? Ah!
Ready?
Hang on. No, I missed it.
Come on.
I'll tell you, I'll fly it, you do this. Oh, I missed it. Can't follow the bloody thing.
It's pretty small. I have trouble seeing it myself. And I see the whole sky.
I think I might have, but that was just a guess.
Can you catch a roll?
I could hear the roll. Where'd it go?
Let's try to tie this.
Oh, I got a lovely picture of the clouds. Where is he? Oh, there he is. It's like trying to swat a fly. Ah. I tell you what, bring it in fairly close and I'll put the bloody thing.
Okay.
See if I can get hold of it there. Just for a brief moment. Well, not too brief. Oh, there it is. That was hard enough to follow.
Pardon?
That was hard enough to follow.
You got it?
Yeah. No, lost it. You've only got to move a little bit.